Are we still snowing? Morning. How are you? Snowing bosses. Snowing boss chairman. Where is the whistle, the big whistle? Morning, guys. How are you? Let's move before these guys take away the cows. Come, take over. We are going to first observe what he's doing with one, the steps that he's taking, and why he's doing that. Keza, where is your book? Where are you going to record the meeting? Dani ekitabu muwandiika amatakiriwa. Our question today will be around the cow, the different things in your different cultures. First, how is a cow called in your culture? How about the milk that comes out? How about the cow dung, the skin? Sometimes you can do it singing, you sing for it, yeah, so that it gives you some more milk when it is relaxed. But some of you are going to do two, don't worry, yeah? It's a skill you can develop over time, and it is very enjoyable, and it's an exercise, a very nice one. Squatting here for, if you can go to milk all the cows here. By the time you leave here, your arms are strong, you don't need to lift gyms and equipments, and this is enough. Okay? After milking, you haven't seen the calves, so we go and feed the calves after there. But I think we can do the cleaning because they are still milking. Yeah. You can even crow. No, that one has nothing. Pig up. Keza, what are you doing here?
We're recording milk.
You're recording milk?
Yes.
Okay. So what is in your records?
So far in the morning,
which cows do we have?
We have Ruby, we have Kwezi, and we have Keza, which is a coincidence. And so far we have only recorded Keza's, which is 5 liters.
Have you seen where milk comes from? Not from the fridge. Milk doesn't come from where? from the fridge. The fridge, they just keep it there. So why do those birds like to come near cows? Flies? Not really. What is close to that is ticks. Cows have ticks, right? They get ticks. Do you know ticks? Yeah, cows get ticks. They are called ticks, right? So that's one of them, but not really. Try to observe. You try to observe. Why doesn't it go behind the cow? Why does it go in front of the cow? It's because when the cow is moving, there are some insects that jump. You see those insects? You see? Do you see? As the cow is moving, these insects are jumping out of the grass, and then it picks them. Eh? So it goes in front of it, where it is going. Because as the cow is eating, is going. Even you, as you try to move, you see some insects, you see? You see? That's when it finds what it eats. So they are friends. It has been waiting. Uh-huh. Yes, they know their names. They know their names, but they also know the people who call them. So you may not call it and it comes. Uh-huh. Well, that's China can call it and it comes. You saw when we cleaned the cloud, we got the cow dung. So the fresh cow dung, we pour it here. We keep it here for some time. Who knows why? Why do we keep it here? One, we need it to, Keza? Huh? Yeah, we want to give it to the plants later. But why don't we take it direct to the plants and keep it here for some time? It has to decompose. Basically, it has to reduce some heat. You saw it comes out hot. So if you take it direct to the plants, it's going to burn it, right? So you keep it here for that, for it to cool down, but also to decompose. Nara here was showing me some worms. There are worms that have grown, maggots. They are all good for the plants, but also even some animals like and the birds like chicken. Before we used to use it for building. Yes, this used to be cement. Cement. You go and I told this one the story of how even in school they would send us to bring cow dung at school. Yes.
Well, that is a grass thatch house. That's how we do it. When you sleep in that house, it's better than cement.
Yes. This is cement. It's a natural cement.
It doesn't smell.
No.
It doesn't. That's not that smell.
The smell dies out eventually.
Just evaporates with the
It actually stays with a nice smell, a fragrance like a perfume in the house when you get used to it. Some insects cannot come here. Apart from those worms that you see, the natural, yes, you will not find many insects attacking where the crops, even the wood where you have applied it. That wood cannot be eaten by some insects. When the cow urinates the other side, you might think urine is lost, but actually urine is harvested. Okay? Let's try to uncover this and see where it is harvested. This is it. This is it. Yeah? Now, this is a pesticide, a natural pesticide. When you apply it to plants, there are no pests that can attack that plant. But it's as well a fertilizer. It's a manure. So this is already mature enough to be taken away. Yeah. So we bring jerrycans and harvest it and take it to the plants. This is still fresh. Still fresh, it is not yet.
Not if it is full.
Now, this is our last, so it will pour. So we're going to put the grass into the wheelbarrow and take it to the troughs, waiting for the cows.
We use hands.
Yeah, we use hands. We use hands. Like this.
You're rotating it.
Then you write. When it is full, somebody writes. Some people go to offload. Let's do it, let's do it. Yeah. Touch. Your fingers will not burn. This is a natural thing. Yes.
It's just processed food. Processed what?
Grass.
Processed
It is grass.
Processed
It is grass with water. I'm telling you.
It doesn't feel like grass.
It is grass. It is real grass. You see? The other grass we saw the other side. There is nothing.
It's just process.
Unless if a cow is sick.
We won't have
Have you died?